How to add a new background in Lensa. Okay, want to switch up the background in your photos? Lensa makes it super easy. Let's walk through it together. We start by opening up your Lensa app. You can see my Lensa app over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Okay, and once you're inside it, pick the picture you want to edit from your camera roll. Find the perfect one. I'm going to change the background of this first photo right over here. Let's tap on it. And now you will be taken to edit section. Look at the tools at the bottom of the screen. Scroll along until you see option for backdrop. Scroll and here you can see an option for backdrop. Tap on it and you can see the background right over here is this one right now. Let's choose this one. And here you can see you have seamlessly changed the background or added a new background on your photo. Wasn't that easy? If you are happy with this one, you can just proceed the process, and if you are not, you can just explore other background that you can add to your photo. Looks good? Let's say I like this one. If it looks good, just hit that save button which is in top right corner over here. Simply tap on it. So as I'm using a free version, I'll not be able to show you the downloaded version, but let's go back and I will show you the changes. We can see the changes in background right over here on this photo right there. And boom, wasn't that easy? I hope this video helped, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.